Hi everyone.
Yeah.
We are back again and we have a new subscription for this box and something that's a little bit different than what we've done in the past.
Mm. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little different than what we've done in the past. This one is called Blueland. If you've ever watched Shark Tank, they were one of the products that were featured on there. Blueland is all about making products with the environment, cleaning products with the environment in mind. And what you subscribe to is the tablet. So what happens is that you get these very hard plastic bottles along with a bunch of tablets in your box. So that's the box you get. Try to make sure my address doesn't show. I love you guys,
So,
but so the tablets come in little packets like this.
mm,
So you're subscribing to the tablets, and so you keep the bottle. You drop the tablet inside of. It has to be warm water. The tablet will dissolve, and then you can throw this away. And this is biodegradable, so this will break down with the earth. So it's less plastic, less money you spend, better on the earth. And the products actually smell good. So
oh,
there are different types. One type we have here is the
glass and mirror cleaner.
yeah.
So what's blue? Is it the bottle or the?
The bottle is blue, and
Oh,
the
okay.
tablet
Cute.
Pack is blue as well.
Okay.
So
Like a one little Windex.
yeah,
Glass and mirror.
yeah,
The yellow is multi-surface. My favorite because I use that on everything.
yes.
Use that on everything.
So this is good for wood and marble and stuff like that.
And then this one, okay, is your bathroom cleaner.
Yes.
So they're the three main cleaners you're going to get, in the store. And this is a little pink hue.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And then we also have
Blueland foaming soap, hand soap.
yes, and I know it looks liquidy, but when you squirt it out, it does foam.
Hmm. Nice.
And I got a chance to try all of the products. Let me just say one thing I like
I
about them.
didn't.
She didn't.
I ain't tried things, so I'm just here to be cute. No.
I will say one thing that I did like about them is that they didn't smell toxic. One thing I noticed about when I use other products is that I have to keep the bathroom door open. I have to keep the window open to air it out, or else I have to leave because I get lightheaded and I get dizzy. With this, it smells. One of them is like eucalyptus mint. So they actually smell really good, and they still work the same way all my other products do.
Okay, so compared to Windex, the window cleaner
Yep,
works just as good, better.
just as good.
Okay, just as good.
Just as good. It was still just like Windex. It was still streaky when I first put it on, but once it dried up, all the streaks went away,
Okay.
and it did a good job. The bathroom cleaner was really good.
Because the bathroom now, I like to get my bathroom cleaner with a little bleach in it because I feel like it gets it better. So that obviously wouldn't have any bleach in it.
No, I think it's an alternative though.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
but did it still clean as well?
So citric acid, sodium
Okay.
carbonate, sodium benzenite. I can't pronounce that
I
word.
ain't finna-
Sodium
I
laurite
ain't finna try.
sulfite, potassium sorbate, uh, fragrance hydrosilia, and the pink colorant and triglycerides. So
Okay. And it clean just as good as your
yeah,
Clorox.
yeah, and my
Bathroom cleaner.
bathroom does need scrubbing because, as you know, like with any girl, I have like shower gel in there, and then I have like stuff from shaving my legs, and and for you have stuff from like doing your hair in the shower. It's gets so gunky in there, and you're like, okay, this needs to be scrubbed because this is wrong. Or you end up with the ring where you set your shampoo down, and you lift it up, you're like,
A little
that's not cute.
mildew ring.
Yeah, that's not cute. And
So it was hitting the mildew rings right.
yeah, and it
Okay.
came up really good. Like you sprayed it and you saw it already coming up. It was like,
Okay.
okay, so it's instant.
And the hand soap set it in your
Yeah.
hands.
Yes, it does foam when it comes out. You rub it in, you wash it off, and it does what it needs to do. And your hands actually smell good afterwards. So I actually like the products. Now,
What's the price hitting on now?
so for the what we got here was called the Clean Essential Kit. That is $39. And the refill is two tablets, I think, for each of these, and the refill is 720 a refill. Now you can schedule that for once a month, once every 2 months, once every 3 months, and once every 4 months, depending on your cleaning habits. Now you can, order more if you need it in between time. If you need to, you can change the subscription to have it come in less, have it come in more. That's up to you. But this one was a $39 kit for 720 for refills. They also have the everyday clean kit. The everyday clean kit has everything we have here, but it also has dish soap and dishwasher tablets.
Ew.
And that refill, that starter kit is $69, and the refill is $28. And the reason why it's $28 is because you get 40 of the dishwasher tablets. And so you only get the tablets. You have none of the extra plastic because the whole thing is trying to be good for the environment. So you're trying to reduce the amount of plastic that you use. So you just get the tablets, none of the plastic around it. And the dish soap is I'm sorry, like the Dawn stuff. The dishwashing powder is actually powder. It's not a liquid. So you kind of have to get used to the fact that you're using powder. If you ever use Comet, you know what I'm talking about. And we've all seasoned our bathtub with Comet. You let it sit there for a little bit because it's got to work.
Yeah.
You got to let it sit there.
that Comet's working now.
Yes, Comet does work. So it's pretty much that before your dishes. And then you also have the cleanup kit. The cleanup kit is just the mirror. I'm sorry, the bathroom cleaner, the multi-surface cleaner, and the glass cleaner.
Okay. So everything that's minus the hand soap.
Everything minus the hand soap. And that's $29 for the essential kit and $720 for refills as well. So it's a matter of what do you want to replace in your household. And so I would say if you were starting out, start up with the cleanup kit. That's the 3 products. And you don't even have to do a subscription when you sign up for it. You can just get the cleanup kits with the tablets for the first time around just to see if you like it.
So, and then you would only need to buy the bottles once.
Yep, you buy the bottle once, and you just buy the little tablets that come with it afterwards.
And the tablets are how much again? After, say you just got this cleanup kit, and now you have your bottles. Mm-hmm. How much are you spending on your tablet?
$7.20. $7.20.
It's for 2 each, though.
Yes.
And I guess that would last a good while as long as any other cleaning bottle. Okay.
Yep. And so if you think about the fact that Windex is 7 something, Pledge is another amount of.
Is it?
No, I'm sorry, not 7 something. It's like $3 to $4.
Yeah.
And then you got Pledge, which is a multi-surface cleaner.
Yeah, that's about $3, $4. They all about $3, $4.
Yeah. Then you got your 409. So you're gonna end up spending like $12, but then you're gonna have plastic that doesn't break down with the earth. They suspect that it takes about 400 years for plastic to really break down.
Yeah.
With this, you get the biodegradable paper that breaks down like I think 3 to 4 days.
Yeah.
If you have a compost heap, you throw this in a compost heap, you'll be fine.
Okay.
So to me, this was worth it. It works just like the regular products, and all you do is pay for the tablet refills. And so I will end up getting a subscription to those refills. And I want to try the dish stuff.
Yeah, we should because. I mean, the ones we got, the little pods. I mean, they've been holding us down, but we're trying to be environmental friendly.
Yeah. Because and then sometimes just paying for the name.
That's true. I follow Jason Momoa. You know, Aquaman. I love Jason Momoa. He's like, but and he's super like environmental friendly. Like he's totally against using like plastic bottles. So he's like, stop using single-use plastic, like water bottles. And so I've been trying to do that. So I'm here for it. If it wasn't for that, like, you know, trying to be environmental friendly, I would be like, I'd just rather go to the dollar store or go to the wherever and just get my cleaning products as I need them. However, what's more convenient for me is not more convenient for the earth. Like, you know, it's like, it's not environmental friendly. So even though it will be more convenient for me to just go to the store and get what I want when I need it, I'm gonna say it's worth it because, like, we gotta start taking care of the environment. We have to, cause we be jacking it up with all this technology and plastic and then yeah, it's it's yeah, it's not a good look. So it's worth
Yeah.
it to me.
So this is just considered just a small step to help the environment.
Yeah.
Yeah, just get rid of these plastic bottles that you use in your house all the time. And now you got the refillables.
Yeah.
And this is just the regular water that you use every single day with a tablet.
It's
And
true.
this way the tablets come to you. You can cross this off your grocery list. It's coming to you. You're gonna get them. You don't have to worry
Yeah,
about it.
that's true.
So
So
let us know what you guys think below.
yeah.
Like, subscribe, comment, and in life there's black and white. But with us, you always get a shade of gray.
Go green.
Go green.